Sige, sige. Andito kami sa Paraiso, guys. Ayan, oh, napakaganda ng Paraiso. Oh, yeah. Diba? Paraiso yan, guys. Excuse me. The books are bad. Ni yung motor na. Hi, honey. How come? Okay. Dito tayo ngayon sa Forest Preserve, guys. For the weekend shooting. We are already 1 mile. Is it 1 mile? Bukan, ano mo pa? 1 mile? 1 mile, guys. May program sila dito na DCFE. DCFE. Run for 5K. 5K. Hindi kami naka-register pero nandito kami nag-walk. Kasi maganda dito sa place nila. Dito sa Forest Preserve, malinis at malawak. So, let's continue walking, guys. To burn the pots. For 1 week, the pots. Is that a uniform? Daming bulaklak, guys. This is wild flowers. Ito, mga trees na to malapit na magiging kalbo. Kasi nag-umpisa na yung fall season dito sa amin. So, ayan guys. Ang ganda lang. Let's continue walking. Ganda dito guys. Oh, puro kahoy. Ayan. Yung asawa ko nag-enjoy mag-walking sa forest. Sa kanya ako natuto guys. Paglakad ng ganito na trail. Dati di naman ako lumalabas. Ayan. Hi. We are already finished 2 miles. 2 miles. Ayan guys, 2 miles. Nakisali kami sa mga nakarehistro sa 5K. Hindi kami nakaregister. We are just here for walking. So, ayan. Malapit na silang patapos. Maybe they start around 9 or something like earlier. More than earlier. I think this is the uniform. If you want to buy it. Hi, good morning. So, ayan, malapit na tayo guys sa finish line. Whew. Ang init today. Very sunny day. Whew. Pinawisan yung aking ilong. Kaway-kaway sa mga pawisin ang ilong dyan. Isa na ako guys. Kulang ang pawisin. Habi ko natidala single tap or single single sweat. Right? We are almost there guys. Ayan guys yung word na almost there. Almost there. Almost there. We are going to finish. Ayan guys, tapos na. Doon na yung finish line sa may balong. Yung may balong. Ang ganda dito. Ganda maglakad dito guys. Apakalinis. 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 Apaka-fresh. Lahat na ng apa. Chicky. Ganda-ganda dito. Ayan na yung ating car park. Tapos na tayo guys. Ayan guys, oh. Ang ganda ng kahoy. Ang ganda ng kahoy. Ayan, tapos na yung aming walking routine dito sa Henrik Lake. And we finished 2.2 miles. So ayan guys, parang inikot lang namin yung lake and then trail nila. So napakaganda maglakad dito guys kasi napaka-presko, napakalinis and very safe, right? So this day guys is meron silang 5K run here in Henrik Lake. So that's it guys for the day, and I hope you like the surroundings here because we love it. If you love nature, you can relate or you will love it. So that's it, guys. Let's go again. And let's get mail. So ayan guys, pauwi na tayo. So bye guys.